Hey bakers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my quick and easy chocolate buttercream that is perfect for holiday baking. I'm starting with 25 grams of plant-based butter, 50 grams of icing sugar, and I'm just combining those in my bowl with a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and that's what's going to give us that really nice pure chocolatey taste. You can see that I'm just spreading it against the side of the bowl. I'm not actually whisking it at this stage because it's too dry at the moment, and as I start to thin it down, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. In total you're going to need about 1 teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of water, depending on how dry it is in your kitchen when you're making this, and just keep pushing it against the side of the bowl until you get a really smooth consistency. You want to make sure it's not grainy at all, and then all your cocoa powder is combined as it is here. This was not sped up at all, and you can see how quickly this buttercream came together. Now I'm going to show you a quick use for it to fill one of my chocolate sandwich cookies, and you can see how easily this spreads. It is the perfect chocolate buttercream. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out the other baking videos and tips on my channel, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.